I got a new chocolate from the shop. Show me. I also brought it for you. Thank you. Welcome. Hi. What happened?
Don't throw plastics, it will never decompose.
I didn't know that. What should I do with this cover?
Keep it in your hand or pocket. After reaching home, put it in the dustbin.
I think these are very old and never decompose. Yes, Maria, you are right.
Plastic makes the land and water dirty. It harms the ecosystem, reduces water quality, and affects human health. Animals may eat plastic and become sick or die. Plastic does not decompose easily, so it stays in the soil for many years. Plastic can block drainage and cause flooding. The plastic wrappers that we throw away casually flow into the drains during the rainy season, which then flows into the river and finally gets accumulated in the sea. The seafood on our plates today is increasingly contaminated with microplastics. When we consume seafoods, these microscopic particles can enter our bloodstream directly, posing significant long-term risks to human health. It is our duty to keep our environment clean.
This is Kesia. This is Maria. If you like our video,
Please like and subscribe.